Hey guys, welcome back to Time Machine Scale Models. Yesterday I had made a post, and in that post I was talking about some announcements that I wanted to make. Well, I figured I'd jump on here, make a video, and let you know about those things. As you know, right now I'm currently involved in two group builds. One is the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators group build that I'm building that 70 Roadrunner for, and the group build that I'm hosting, Fat Fenders, Spins, and Chrome, that I'm doing a 41 Willies for. I'm almost done with the 41 Willies, and the conclusion of that group build is January 7th, and the USAC group build is January 15th. But coming up in 2023, there are several other group builds that are going to be taking place, and there's a few of them right off the top of the bat that I want to tell you guys about. So if you want to hear about them, stick around. Oh, you're still there? You must be interested in the group builds that are coming up in 2023. Well, the first group build that I'm going to jump on board is Dan over at the 60s Rule channel is hosting a Psychedelic 60s group build. And that's going to start January 1st through March 1st. And I've chosen the 1965 Chevelle Surf Wagon. I have some ideas on how I want to do this. I don't know. Maybe it'll be psychedelic. Or maybe it'll just be a surf wagon. I don't know. You'll have to stick around and watch. The next group build that we're going to participate in is going to be hosted by Mike's Model Shop. And it starts January 5th with an open-end date. So basically finish whenever you want to. And that one is Mad Gassers. Oh, and by the way, the surf wagon is sealed, and so is the Mobius Gasser. So, like I said, that's going to start January 5th with an open ending date. The next one I'm going to participate in, and that's going to start February 1st and end February 28th, hosted by the Scale Model Car Guy channel and BG's Model Workshop. It's going to be the small scale group build. Now originally I had another kit picked out that I've been hanging on to since, I don't know. But last year when they were doing the small scale group build, I was like, hey, I got a small scale car. But unfortunately, I opened it up and I was looking at some things, and there's some damage that I just don't think that I could fix and do the build justice in the time frame that I've been given. So instead, I'm going to do the Sinclair gas truck. Now I've been hanging on to this for quite a while. It is a small scale, and I've always had a fascination with Sinclair ever since I was a kid. When I was a kid, we lived down in Spring Hill, Florida, and there's a gas station down there that's a dinosaur. It was an old Sinclair station, so I've always been fascinated with Sinclair ever since then. And I have a special display that I'm going to do with this truck and some signage that I have. So like I said, that's going to start February 1st, and it's going to run through February 28th. Shortest month for the smallest scale. Alright, next one. It's probably not going to be the last group build I participate in, but in this group, last but not least, hosted by Jeff's Model Garage and Fred Henry, aka Pappy, over West Georgia Rods and Customs, starting February 5th and running through the NASCAR season, ending November 5th, the NASCAR group build. So I've got this Buick Regal here, and originally I was going to do a Salvinos Jr. kit, and I was going to do the Tim Richmond Milwaukee's Best car. However, Jason over at Blue Ox has that kit he's going to be building, and he's already announced. So rather than step on toes, I figured I'd let him do that one, and I would choose something else. Then Rick over at Heartbeat Model Shop had a Tim Richmond car, the 25 Folgers car, but he's decided he's going to do a Neil Bonnet car, which is cool too. Neil Bonnet was an awesome guy. He left us too soon as well. So instead, this is what I've chosen. I've reached out to Mike's Decals, marble mouth tonight, Mike's Decals, and I chose to do Bobby Allison's Miller High Life Buick Regal. So guys, these are the group builds that I'm going to participate in the early part of 2023. And the NASCAR build runs through 2023 pretty much. And I'm sure that I'm going to participate in other group builds, like the Eggplane build, maybe the Bandai group build. Who knows? But anyway, these are the ones that are kicking off 2023. Now, if you'd also like to participate, check out the links in the description, go to their channels, and look up the videos for the group build announcements. Check them out for yourself. Maybe you want to jump on board. Alright guys, this is all I have for this video. Thanks for watching.